Today's lesson, we're going to go through using onShape on your phone. So if you look here, I have the onShape app open on my phone. I have an Android, so it'll probably be a little bit different if you have an iPhone, but it should be fairly similar. It'll probably be a little bit different. So what we're going to do today is we're going to create a part very similar to how we created a part on Monday, but this time we're going to do it from our phones. So I'm going to click this plus sign here and click on Create Document. I'm going to call this document Lesson 2. I'm going to hit OK. And then just like before, it's going to open a blank workspace with 3 planes. And the first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to start a sketch. So I'm going to click right here where it says Start Sketch. I'm going to click a plane to start on. I'm going to click that top plane. And it's going to prompt me to select what shape I would like to start with. I'm going to start with a rectangle. So I'm going to start at this point here. And I'm going to place a rectangle. And then I want to dimension it. And my goal here is to make the same shape that I made on Monday, but this time from my phone. So I'm going to click on this pencil again, because this gives me all my sketching options. And the one I want is this dimension tool. I don't have a keyboard anymore, so I'm going to need to find the exact parts, the exact commands. So here I want to make this 2 inches. I hit 2, hit check. Then I want to make this one 2 inches as well. Hit 2 and hit check. And then what I want to do is I want to put a circle in the middle to put a hole. I'm going to zoom in here. Use the standard zooming like your phone would. I'm just holding down my finger on the screen right now. And there I go. Click here. And I drop my circle. Now I want to dimension this. I'm going to go over to dimension, click on my circle, and change that dimension to 1 inch. Great, that's done. Now, if you notice right now, I can actually, let me leave this alone. I'll exit the dimensioning tool. I can move around and I can rotate. Let's say I wanted to not rotate. There's this rotation lock in the corner here. If I hit that, I can't rotate anymore. If I toggle it again, I can rotate again. So if it's getting annoying for you, the rotation, you could just click on that. Then what I need to do is extrude, and you'll see that in this sphere looking thing. I'll find extrude, and like before, it'll auto detect the space that I want to extrude within. And I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to make sure the depth is 2 inches so that I can get a cube. 2, check. Okay, that extrusion is done. I hit check. Okay, unlock this, and we can see here's the piece that I've made so far. Now let's say I wanted to, again, put holes on the sides like I did yesterday. What I would do next is put sketches on the faces where I want to put those intrusions. A couple things on navigation. If you want to rotate, you just put your finger and drag it around and you'll be able to rotate. If you want to move the screen around, you put 2 fingers on the screen and move the 2 fingers around. And if you want to zoom in, 2 fingers in, out, just like you would on your phone normally. The only thing that's a little bit different than you would on a different application is you put 2 fingers on your screen, oops, and you move them left to right. Okay, now what I want to do, so I'm going to start a sketch. Hold on. I need to select a sketch plane. I'm going to select that plane to sketch on. And I'm getting a little trouble here. Let me start a new sketch. Select this as my sketch plane. Now I'm going to draw a circle. And again, I'm going to drag my finger on the screen to get the center of this square here. Draw a circle. Dimension it to be 1 inch in diameter. Extrude it. Over here, I'll hit remove. I'll go down and make sure instead of being blind and going 1 inch, I will have it go through all. Hit check. Okay. Now I'll start another sketch on this face here. Put a circle in the middle. Click. Dimension it. 1 inch. Extrude it. Remove. Go down. And have the depth be 2 inches. I could have also done through all. Either way works. And there we go. I've created the same exact shape as last time. But this time, I did it from my phone. So that's a pretty nice feature of this application. Now, let's say you wanted to share this. You would go here where there's those 3 dots, and copy link to your clipboard, and then you can go to your Google Classroom app and submit it right there from your phone. So for today's lesson, your homework, I want you to create another part like you did last time and submit it on Google Classroom, but this time I want it to be a different part. Do not make it the same, because then I can't be sure that you didn't just, copy the part. I want you to actually create a different part. And I recognize that you could probably just do this on your computer, but I really want you to try it on your phone. So please, please, please do it on your phone. Try it on your phone. Some of you might like doing this a lot, and you can CAD up things really quickly on your phone and 3D print them in school. You don't even need access to a computer to do it. This is what's one of the things that's really nice about onShape, and I really want you guys to get this out of it. So please, please, please do this assignment on your phone. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time.